behind me. This is a business complex. This is an AltaMed, a medical center, absolutely engulfed in flames. At this point, no.
1 year ago, the Eaton fire devastated our community. AltaMed responded immediately, providing care, supplies, and relief for families who were suddenly displaced and struggling to meet basic needs.
That evening that Tuesday night, we were at home, my wife and I, and we were watching the news. We get a call, and sure enough, AltaMed facility on fire. The flames were towering, and you saw the building go up in smoke. We called an emergency meeting the following morning, and by 10 o'clock, I had decided that this is something that we needed to take an active role in providing any kind of health care that we could. I thought that the AltaMed team responded in a very, very positive way, and I'm very proud of what we were able to do so.
Our partners immediately answered the call when the Eaton fire impacted the lives of our employees and patients. Thanks to your generosity, we were able to provide emergency housing, essential supplies, transportation support, and financial relief for those hit hardest.
My name is Paul Tropea. I'm the Director of Grants, Finance, and Analysis, and I've been with AltaMed for 22 years. So back in January 7th, went home as normal. It was kind of windy that night. We did get an alert about 7:30 that there were fires in the area. We went out to the back on the deck. We noticed there was a significant light, smoke coming up on the other side of the hill, and that's when we realized it was serious. And so we packed an overnight bag, went back in, grabbed all our things, and drove down the hill. Stayed at my mom's house night of the 7th. Woke up on the 8th, assuming everything was going to be normal, came to work, and at my 10 o'clock meeting was when I got a text message from my neighbor indicating that we had lost our homes. Driving up to our driveway, it was just incredibly shocking. The garage was gone, the house was gone, it completely disappeared, completely vanished. There was no trace of the home in itself. Castlo and Zoila both came to greet me and to let me know that they were there for us. I felt confident and comfortable that I was going to get all the support I needed from this organization. So for me, at least work-wise, it gave me peace of mind, knowing that I work for an organization that does take care of the community.
I'm Kevin Bourne. I'm an AltaMed patient at the Fair Oaks Clinic in Pasadena. I can see Eaton Canyon, hillside. I can see the fire starting, and then I until the power went out, I was in kind of listening to the TV. I was very alert. I wasn't like terrified, but just kind of waited and waited. And when I saw that it was one house away, was lighting up, then I left, and I have that on my pictures that I took of that. Then I went immediately down to the evacuation center in Pasadena, at the convention center on Green. When I got to the convention center, open arms, welcoming me and seeing if I needed anything, and then a cot to stay on, basically. AltaMed was there, and with food and lodging, and no charge, and was I needed it at that point in time. AltaMed's been helping me through this the entire time. Having my back as far as my my physical and even mental well-being.
My name is Stephen Longsworth. I'm a patient of AltaMed in Pasadena. When we looked up in the mountains, it was all blazing. Flames, beautiful. and it was coming down the mountain like this. And my family decided, they said, come on, let's get out of here. So everybody drove off in their car. And the insurance then called us and said they have a hotel for us in San Dimas. We were in 3 hotel rooms for 5 months, the 11 of us. And but after a while, I drove down to go and see my house. I saw that the AltaMed clinic was open. AltaMed helped me. I got everything I needed. I came in, I spoke to them, and they said, oh, we know you. And they gave me my medication I needed, and they told me come back whenever I need anything, and which I did. But the treatment I get is like, you wouldn't believe it. You would have to get it to believe it.
As we look back on the year since the Eaton fire, one thing is clear. Our community's recovery has been possible because we showed up for one another. Our philanthropic partners didn't just help in the moment, they have stood with us through the long recovery. Your support strengthens our ability to stay connected with displaced patients, maintain critical services, and assist families as they transition from crisis to stability.